Hey Snapchatters! Welcome back to another eye-opening episode. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's both fascinating and alarming. We're talking about the ways hackers can infiltrate your Snapchat account. You might think your snaps are safe, but the reality is quite different. So buckle up and get ready to learn some shocking truths. Your snaps aren't as safe as you think. Yes, you heard that right. Despite all the security measures Snapchat has in place, there are still vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit. It's crucial to be aware of these risks so you can take steps to protect yourself. Let's dive into how they do it and what you can do to stay safe. Understanding the methods hackers use is the first step in safeguarding your account. So, let's break it down. First, hackers use something called phishing. It's more common than you think. Phishing involves tricking you into giving up your personal information, like your username and password. Hackers often send emails or messages that look like they're from Snapchat, but they're actually fake. They send fake login pages to trick you into giving up your username and password. Scary, right? These pages look almost identical to the real Snapchat login page, making it easy to fall for the trap. Once you enter your details, the hackers have access to your account. Next, they might use brute force attacks. This is a relentless method. Brute force attacks involve using software to try thousands of password combinations until they get in. It's like a digital battering ram, constantly pounding away until it breaks through. This means they try thousands of password combinations until they get in. It's like a digital battering ram. The software can run through millions of possible passwords in a short amount of time, making it a powerful tool for hackers. But it doesn't stop there. There's more to be aware of. Hackers are always coming up with new methods to gain access to your accounts, so it's important to stay informed. Hackers can also get in through third-party apps. These apps can be a hidden danger. While many third-party apps are legitimate, some are designed specifically to steal your information. You know those cool filters in games? They might not be as harmless as they seem. Some of these apps require access to your Snapchat account, and if they're not secure, they can be a gateway for hackers. Some of them aren't so safe. They can be gateways for hackers. It's important to only use apps from trusted sources and to be cautious about granting them access to your account. So, how can you protect yourself? Use strong, unique passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. It's crucial. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone. And be super cautious about the links you click. Think twice before you tap. Phishing links can be disguised as harmless messages from friends or official-looking emails from Snapchat. Remember, staying safe online isn't just about keeping your snaps private. It's a broader issue. Your digital security affects all aspects of your online life, from your social media accounts to your banking information. It's about protecting your entire digital life. Stay alert, stay secure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. By staying informed and taking the right precautions, you can enjoy Snapchat without worrying about hackers. Until next time, stay safe out there. Now, let's talk about some real-life examples. There have been numerous cases where people have lost access to their Snapchat accounts due to hacking. These stories are a stark reminder of how important it is to stay vigilant. For instance, there was a case where a popular influencer's account was hacked, and the hacker posted inappropriate content. This not only damaged their reputation, but also caused a lot of distress. The consequences of such incidents can be severe. It's not just about losing access to your account, it's about the potential damage to your personal and professional life. One of the best ways to protect yourself is to change your passwords regularly. Make sure your passwords are strong and unique. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Consider using a password manager. These tools can help you generate and store strong passwords, making it easier to manage your online security. Two-factor authentication is another crucial step. It adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. This can be a code sent to your phone or an authentication app. Be cautious with emails and messages. If something looks suspicious, don't click on any links or provide any personal information. Always verify the source before taking any action. Keep your software up to date. Regular updates often include security patches that can protect you from the latest threats. Make sure your phone and apps are always running the latest versions. Stay informed about the latest security threats. Follow reputable sources and keep yourself updated on new hacking methods and how to protect yourself. Consider attending webinars or workshops on cybersecurity. These can provide valuable insights and tips on how to stay safe online. Share your knowledge with friends and family. The more people are aware of these threats, the safer everyone will be. Encourage others to take their online security seriously. Don't forget to review your privacy settings on Snapchat. Make sure you're only sharing your snaps with people you trust. Adjust your settings to limit who can see your content and who can contact you. Snapchat offers several security features that can help protect your account. Make sure you're taking advantage of these features to enhance your security. There are many resources available online that can help you understand and improve your digital security. Take the time to read guides and articles on how to protect yourself from hackers. By taking these steps, you can have peace of mind, knowing that you've done everything you can to protect your Snapchat account and your digital life. Remember, staying safe online is an ongoing process. Keep learning, stay vigilant, and always be prepared. Enjoy Snapchat safely and responsibly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to stay secure online. Until next time, stay safe out there.